Okay, so just when you look at linear regression, so this graph is on page 278, it's figure 9.2. And so this is really explaining your prediction equation. So your intercept here for each of these lines, they each have the same intercept, okay? However, they each have a different gradient. So when we talk about it being a different gradient, each predictive variable, all right, so each predictive variable is the variable that's predicting the outcome, has a different influence on the outcome variable, even though the intercept is the same. Okay, so in this diagram right here, they've got the same slope, but they've got different intercepts. So this one's got an intercept of 50, this one's got an intercept of 30, and this one's got an intercept of 20. So they have a different intercept, but they have the same gradient. So when you start looking at regression, these gradients are related to your B1 value. Okay, so how much does the outcome variable change as a result of what the B1 or BI value looks like? Because as you know, there are some variables that are going to predict an outcome that have a, for instance here, this predictive variable has a positive relationship. This one has also a positive, and this one has a negative relationship. And when we run regression, you'll see that each one of these predictive variables, or BI values, are going to have an effect on the outcome.